Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to verify Bitfinex account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the top of the screen, we have the traders, lenders, about, we have the more, we have the sign out and return to platform. We also have the, of course, try trading, which you can see in the middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and verify Bitfinex account. First of all, of course, what you need to do is go and log into your Bitfinex account, as I told you in the start of the video. Then navigate to manage account and then go to verification. So you can do that by going to start trading and going to your account, of course, where you can also go and click on manage your account. Choose your account type, so individual or corporate. Then select the level of verification you need, so basic plus, intermediate, or a full. Then complete required sections from the choose verification level by providing the necessary information and documents. And then in the end, submit your verification request. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.